Many clients often ask how to reuse desiccants. First, it is important to clarify that not all desiccants can be reused. Chemical desiccants, after absorbing moisture, can generate new substances in any reversible process, making them not reusable. Calcium chloride desiccants have strong water-clearing properties, as their molecules chemically react with water molecules to produce water and substances, achieving a dilution effect. However, once calcium chloride absorbs enough moisture and forms water and substances, it cannot be reused. In contrast, reusable desiccants are mainly of a physical adsorption type. These desiccants have excellent structural stability, do not deform after absorbing moisture, do not undergo chemical reactions, and do not generate new substances. For example, silica gel desiccants can be regenerated for reuse by heating. The specific method involves placing the silica gel desiccant in an oven or microwave, controlling the temperature between 100 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius, and the time between 30 minutes and 1 hour, depending on the size and moisture content of the desiccant. It is worth noting that most silica gel desiccants available on the market are disposable products. The packaging material does not support high-temperature heating. Therefore, if you need to choose a reusable desiccant, you'll also need to select packaging materials that are heat-resistant. With this, today's sharing comes to an end. Stay tuned for more exciting information about desiccants.